If you want the best Shopify free trial offer, use my link in the description first. That link takes you to Shopify's official page and unlocks the current deal. A free Shopify trial for 3 days, then 3 full months for just $1 per month, which is about 97% off. That's why people call it the Shopify 3-month free trial, or basically a Shopify free trial 90 days style deal. Don't wait, because this offer can change anytime. Click my link in the description now and follow along. Now let me show you how to get Shopify free trial access step by step. After you click my link, enter your email and hit Start Free Trial. Create a password. Then, Shopify may ask a few quick questions like where you want to sell and what you plan to sell. Choose Online Store if you want a full website. If you're not sure what you'll sell yet, that's fine. Pick something for now. You can change it later. Next, you'll see the plans. For most people, I recommend the basic plan because it has everything a new store needs. You'll then add payment details, but you won't be charged until your Shopify trial ends. And here's the key. If you don't pick a plan, your store stays limited and you can't publish it. So choose a plan when you're ready to go live. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, you're in control. This free Shopify trial gives you a real store builder with drag and drop editing, so you don't need coding or design skills. First, pick a theme, then customize your homepage, colors, and fonts. Next, add products with photos, prices, and descriptions. If you're doing dropshipping, you can connect apps like DSers or AutoDS and import products fast. Before you launch, set up payments so you can actually get paid. Shopify supports card payments, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay in many countries. Then, when you're ready to go live, remove the store password in your online store preferences, and your store is public. Here's the part most people mess up. They overthink and never start. A Shopify trial is only valuable if you use it. So use these 3 days to build the store, add products, and test everything. Then extend it with the 97% off offer, 3 months for $1 per month, and keep building with almost no risk. So again, if you want the best deal, click my link in the description. That's the easiest way to get the free Shopify trial and the Shopify free trial 90 days style offer while it's still available. Start today, and you could be closer to your first sale than you think.